Jasmy down around 10.85% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The MA50 most certainly is presently at $7, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin, all things considered, is floating at $99,604,790 hours in a genuinely huge manner. Jasmy, in every practical sense, has its kind of next obstruction at $06 in a really significant manner. 5 April 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these regularly, by and large clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is momentary cost expectation? For Jasmy coin, all things considered, is Jasmy a very wise speculation, which for the most part is very critical. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on in a significant manner. However, prior to plunging profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, explicitly let us most certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $2 492 603 616 514 in an essentially significant manner. The in every practical sense, absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $105 179 770 and 26, which really is very huge. Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which basically is genuinely huge, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895 level after a decay of 59%, which basically is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 318% coming to $257.94 during the past 24 hours. Further appearance how the kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $105 179 779.26, which most certainly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span, which especially is genuinely huge. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana sort of, is somewhere near $857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation, explicitly let us sort of discuss the really current economic situations, which by and large is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that Sol, the very local coin of Solana sort of, is somewhere near $857 and presently exchanging at $172.88, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, by and large let us essentially discuss the especially current economic situations in a really significant manner. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an especially descending heading for genuinely present moment, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin truly is drifting at $99 604 798 end, or so they essentially thought. Right now, and especially broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is very critical. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions generally show that the market in a real sense is going in a descending heading for genuinely present moment. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin most certainly is drifting at $99 604 798 as in a fundamentally significant manner. Support especially is a level at which purchases basically become significantly more extremely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895 level after a decay of 0.59%, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every way that really matters is a level at which merchants for the most part become move sort of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The fundamentally current Jasmy coin cost basically is $19. with an exchanging volume of 99,640,798 as in the kind of beyond 24 hours. So Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in a truly significant manner. Right now, Jasmy generally is somewhere around 10.85% since yesterday with a market capitalization of 9.26,451,275 USD, exhibiting that Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a genuinely descending course for in every way that really matters, present moment. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in a real sense is floating at $99,604,798ism. Fundamentally, in spite of prevalent thinking, Jasmy coin value examination, Jasmy cost examination for ZO5 April 2024 inside a fundamentally everyday time span commonly made sense of beneath in an especially enormous manner. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving essentially normal SMA and remarkable moving pretty normal Amatu in every way that really matters. Examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, exhibiting that the MA50 in a real sense is at present at $7 in an especially large manner. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining beneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, which sort of shows that help truly is a level at which purchases in every practical sense become most certainly more sort of dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895 level after a decay of 59%, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, especially further appearance how at present, Jasmy fundamentally is somewhere around 10.85% since yesterday with a market capitalization of 9.26,451,275 USD, exhibiting that Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a kind of descending heading for extremely present moment. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin by and large is drifting at $99,640,798 as error, or so they explicitly thought. The fundamentally relative strength record RSI for Jasmy coin by and large is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which for the most part implies Jasmy in a real sense is in oversold zone and a pattern sort of inversion in a real sense is